My biggest win of the WebRTC course has been a deeper understanding of the connections between the different bits and pieces of WebRTC. My name is Robert Hess, and my job title is the interesting title of Quality Inquisitor. And I'm working for GoTo. That's a company that makes GoTo Meeting and GoTo Resolve and a lot of other stuff. So I work with customers, but also with our internal developers to debug these things, look into packet captures, look into log files. And so we started out like 25 years ago with protocols like H.323 and SIP. And we had some proprietary protocol, but these days it's all WebRTC. And we do this now for a number of years, but it still feels very new. And that's why that course seems perfect. Also, we know Philip Franke quite well, one of the authors, and got to know Sai. So we also worked in other contexts with each other. So it was kind of natural to look into that. It's essentially a very good overview of the whole topic. I now got a better understanding about the whole process of all the different versions that can happen in the communication, the different ways it can go. So my inner model of how stuff works got much better. And if you analyze things, you get individual facts from customers, and then you have to match that somehow in your inner model. And so I feel I got a much better way now to map these things and to understand easier what's going wrong. Well, mostly I think it's the only comprehensive offer out there, which is done by a person or by two persons, actually, Philip and Sai, which are really for so long time so deep into that code. I mean, these guys contribute to WebRTC code themselves. They really know the ins and outs, and they have put this together in a very systematic and very nice way. And also the dialogue is quite nice. I wouldn't know that there is another thing out there with that comprehensively, be it a book or be it a course. There just isn't anything. Well, it's definitely worth, and it's something you not only go do in one run and then understand everything because it's just complex. You reiterate and go back to specific aspects, maybe also triggered by customer issue or something. So it's definitely super useful, and it's not taking up that much time for the complexity of the topic. I definitely would recommend. I think it is a perfect and very comprehensive view into these inner workings, and it's nicely scheduled. And there are these different courses which look at different aspects. And so it's definitely recommendable.